Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to activate or enable Elementor Atomic Editor. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see container. So we are going to activate Atomic Editor Elementor. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor and then you see editor and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in setting and then you see Atomic Editor tab, so click on it. Now you see activate Atomic Editor feature and then you see button activate the new experience, so click on it. You are about to enable Atomic Editor feature, so you can read this, enable this option and then click on activate and then you see message welcome, you have got the newest version of the editor. Now go to page. Now you see layout, so this is our old layout. Now refresh the page. Now you see new layout enable. So when we click on it, now you see general, style, interaction. So new option enable after activating our Atomic Editor. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.